Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a Vietnamese-inspired chicken beef salad. Chicken beef salad is typically served over a bed of watercress salad, but today we will be using arugula and some spring mix. Let's get started. Here I have 2 top sirloins. You want to cut them into cubes. If you want a more intense beef flavor, you can also use strip sticks. Now let's start with the marinade. You will need 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of regular soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce is optional here if you don't have any in your pantry. The purpose of adding it is for color. Back to our marinade. Add about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of fish sauce and a little bit of sugar. You can give it a taste. It should be on the salty side with a bit of sweetness to it. Now you want to add a good amount of black pepper. Combine everything and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. We'll go ahead and prepare the salad dressing while the beef is marinating. Here we are making a salad dressing and at the same time making some quick pickled radishes. You will need a little bit of shallots, 2 to 3 radishes, juice of half a lime, and a touch of honey to balance out the lime juice. Lightly season this with salt and pepper. This salad is going to be a little tangy. We will set this aside and move on to cooking the beef. You want your pan or wok to be very hot before adding the beef. To get a good sear, you need high heat. I would put the meat in one by one so every piece is spaced out evenly. You don't want to overcrowd the pan, or you'll be steaming the meat instead of searing it. After about 3 minutes, you should start getting a good sear. Now you can either stir or shake the beef. This is how chicken beef got its name. We move the beef from the pan. The meat will continue to cook while it is resting. Now back to the salad. This step is optional. If you like garlic, you can put some grated garlic in the dressing. I'm using about 8 cherry tomatoes here. You can also use Roma or heirloom tomatoes. Finally, we top the salad with the chicken beef. And there you have it, chicken beef salad. I hope you enjoyed this chicken beef salad recipe. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you like seeing more recipes like this, remember to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.